Hey guys, it's Mike with woodshopmike.com. So the last thing to do is to cut the hole in the floor and put up the stringers and then apply the treads and risers. All the structural elements downstairs have been finished. All the drywall has been done on both sides of the wall. As you can see, it's painted, it's beautiful, it's ready to go. Let's stop talking about it and get to work. So I'm a little dusty now, and I just got finished cutting the hole in the floor for our stairs. Check it out. That is exciting. So the next step is for me to install these stringers. I'm going to have one on either side, obviously, and we're going to have one in the center. The stringers will be attached up there. I'm going to install a ledger that the underside of the stringers will sit on, and then they'll be nailed into each one of the joists here on the stud walls, left and right of me. After that, just the treads and risers will be installed. I'll start from the bottom and work my way up one after the other, and then I'm going to have stairs. There are a couple of details to finish up after the stairs are in, but we'll get to that in a little while.